Looking for the perfect rice cooker that gives you soft, fluffy rice every single time? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best rice cookers, smart, fast, and packed with amazing features. From digital multi-cookers to all-in-one kitchen gadgets, you'll see which one truly deserves a spot in your kitchen. Let's go! Item number 5. This smart cooker comes with a 5.68-liter capacity and a durable stainless steel build. It features 7 cooking functions: pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, make rice, yogurt, and keep warm, all in one appliance. With 1,000 watts of power, it cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods. The touch control panel and 13 smart programs make cooking effortless, while the safe steam release ensures worry-free use. Plus, the dishwasher-safe lid and pot make cleanup quick and easy, perfect for every family kitchen. Item number 4. This Aroma rice cooker has a 5-quart capacity, perfect for preparing 4 to 20 cups of rice or grains. It features easy-to-use digital controls with automatic keep warm mode and a variety of preset functions for white rice, brown rice, steam, flash rice, and slow cook. The included steam tray allows you to cook vegetables or meat while rice cooks below. With sensor logic technology, it ensures fluffy, perfectly cooked rice every time. Accessories include a measuring cup, spatula, and steam tray. Lightweight and convenient, it's ideal for any kitchen. Item number 3. The Hamilton Beach Digital Programmable Rice Cooker and Food Steamer offers 8 cups of cooked rice capacity, perfect for family meals. Its removable pot features a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating for easy cooking and cleanup. With one-touch pre-programmed options, you can cook white rice, whole grains, or hot cereal effortlessly, and it automatically switches to keep warm when done. The versatile 2-in-1 steam and rinse basket lets you steam vegetables, seafood, or rinse grains while rice cooks. At 400 watts and 120 volts, this multi-function cooker is ideal for quick one-pot meals. Item number 2. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini is a compact 3-quart multi-cooker, perfect for small households or side dishes. Made with stainless steel and a tri-ply bottom, it offers 7 cooking functions, including pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, and keep warm. With 11 one-touch smart programs, meals are ready up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Its dishwasher-safe pot and lid make cleanup effortless. Featuring over 10 safety mechanisms and a stainless steel steamer rack, this mini cooker combines convenience, speed, and safety in one sleek appliance. Item number 1. The Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 is a versatile multi-cooker, perfect for family meals with up to 8 servings. Made from stainless steel with a matte finish, it features 10 cooking functions including pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, steam, rice, yogurt, bake, sterilize, and keep warm. With 28 one-touch smart programs, meals cook faster, up to 70% quicker than traditional methods. The dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot make cleanup simple, while advanced safety mechanisms and an extra sealing ring ensure worry-free cooking. Ideal for any kitchen. Which of these rice cookers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.